Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. In this easy to follow tutorial, you will learn the easiest way to make beautiful flower that can add a touch of elegance to your project. No special skill is required, just two colors of wool, scale and a few basic items needed. Just as you have seen, I wrap the first color of wool around the scale or ruler for 15 times. Then tie it to secure. Now, wrap the second color of wool beside the first one for 15 times. Then attach needle at the extension of the wool and use it to secure and sew both sides. At this point, pull the woolen design out from the scale. Make the designs 5 pieces and join them together. Please guys, remember to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more captivating tutorials. Now, attach a sizable bead right at the center of the flower to make it more beautiful and flawless. I know you all will find this tutorial easy to follow. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you all soon.